Are you still behind me? Where are you at? Is the OG paint job right here, bro. And the OG car. This is just OG. That's crazy. Jesus Christ. This is clean right here. This is what I'm talking about. They're just gonna be jealous when I pop the hood, honestly. Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Josiah. Today we're about to meet up with a couple of the homies. We're gonna go to car cruise, and I might be the only bike, but we'll see. I don't really care. So I'm on my way to meet up with them right now, and then we're gonna go to the spot. Yes, sir. Alright, YouTube. We're about to meet up and get to the spot. Peace. What up, cutie? Alright, YouTube. We just got gas. We just left the gas station. Now we're on the way to the spot. It started when we... Alright, YouTube, we're about to grab a bite to eat and then meet up with everybody. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, YouTube, we're leaving Five Guys. Gonna go get to the meet. Oh, you can already tell it's gonna be packed with some hot just from what's on the road right now. Look at that, jeez. I could just split everybody, but like by the time I get there and park, everyone's gonna be like, "You're the motherfucker that cut me off." Edgar, you let me throw my jacket in your car? Yeah? Here, you want to hold these for a second? Don't scratch your car. Hold up. Okay, cool. Oh, hell no. I can't be the only bike. I'm gonna get clowned. I'm thinking about literally turning my bike off. What do you think? And I could just push it the rest of the way. Let's see. That is tough. That's actually tough. God damn. I'm gonna give you my gloves too, because it's hot as shit. Here. Hey, hey, hey. They're just gonna be jealous when I pop the hood, honestly. Did I show you I got an alarm for the bike? Bro, look, I can lock it. And now if it moves, the alarm will go off, which means I'm not gonna move it. But I'll unlock it. And now it's unlocked. Oh, this is tough with the green tint. That's cute. What up? ZR1. That's hella sick. That's dope. That's crazy. Jesus Christ. That sound is crazy. So it's just this whole street is like the meat. Oh. This is clean right here. This is what I'm talking about. Do I got room? Oh, here we go. Okay. This is the OG paint job right here, bro. And the OG car. This is just OG. Are you still behind me? Where are you at? Oh, dang. Edgar's 3 cars behind me. What up? It's a 600, 636. Yeah. What up, YouTube? We're just now leaving the meet. About to head home. It's already dark. That was dope, though. Got to meet with some other homies. Alright, YouTube, we are gonna pick up Aaliyah and then head over to my place. Overall, a W day. Alright, I'll see you guys Tuesday at the latest, I assume. Alright, peace. What up, YouTube? Just picked up Aaliyah. On the way home now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.